Hi guys, this is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and I'm with Madhura. You can call her Maddie, and we both are.
We are. I'm a dentist turned radio professional, and Joe is a rocket scientist turned radio professional. So we've been doing radio, and we've been doing content for a very long time. And currently, we are about 8,000 miles apart, and we are sheltering in place. And we want to relive some of the fun days of radio. And we had a brainwave.
Exactly, because we used to in office we used to watch music videos and trailers and different things online all the time. It was part of our job, and then we would obviously give each other our humble opinions. And now we thought we'll unleash them onto the world. So yes, here you have, as cliche as it may sound, a desi doctor and engineer together talking about Bollywood and everything else. So this is our first time, so be nice. We are gonna start this channel, this reaction series with my favorite of all time favorite is Amitabh Bachchan ji, Amit ji, and his latest trailer and film that I can't wait for. I haven't watched the trailer. It's been a few days since it came out, but I kept it on hold so we could do this together. And yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting because it's based in UP and he's teaming up with Ayushmann Khurrana, who I've become a fan of in recent years. So, shall we?
Yes, without further ado, let us
Let
please.
me just get ready. We'll press play together. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
One, two, three. Let's do it.
तुम्हारे एक बात समझ नहीं आ रही है। यहाँ एल्यूमिनियम की हंडिया पड़ी थी, वहाँ मिर्जा की चप्पलें पड़ी थी, यहाँ 2 बकरियां बांध रखी हैं, साला हमारा ही बल्ब मेरा निकालने के लिए।
अरे बल्ब ना चोरी हुई, निगोड़ी जायदाद चोरी हो गई।
इनकी जायदाद वाली सूरत कहाँ?
लैट्रिन जाना हो तो मिश्रा जी की फैमिली के साथ जॉइंट टॉयलेट।
लेकिन हमें पता नहीं था कि आप इतने गरीब हैं।
आज से पार्किंग दो, 50 रुपया रोज का।
हमारा जाओ अपनी बकरियों के साथ बैठो, ठीक है? और ना ठोक देंगे तुम्हें, समझे?
हवेली और हमारे बीच आना ना, वरना ऐसा हाल कर देंगे तो हड्डी।
बुलाओ, हाल तो तुम्हारा करेंगे हम। यूनिवर्सिटी के लौंडे बुला लिए ना, जितनी आशिकी चल रही है हवेली के साथ, सब निकाल देंगे। इतनी पुरानी ईंटें, ये तो होना ही था।
एक तो किराया बढ़ाते नहीं हो, मकान खाली करते नहीं हो, घोंगा बन के बैठे हो गले में हमारे।
चिल्लाओ मत, अटैक आ जाएगा।
आपको तो अपना मकान खाली करवाना है किराएदार से।
कागजात लाए हो? मीटिंग के लिए कि ऐसे आगे टहलते हुए?
एक ही ऑप्शन है, हवेली बेच दो।
सरकारी हैं, आर्कोलॉजी।
हवेली हमने बेच दी है।
बेच रहे हो? बेच ही नहीं सकते।
हवेली हमारी, जमीन हमारी, मर्जी हमारी, कैसे नहीं बेच सकते?
लेकिन परमिशन हमारा लगेगा।
अब मजा आएगा।
मोहब्बत करते हैं हम अपनी हवेली से बेइंतहा।
ऐसा है, तुम्हारी कोई औलाद नहीं है, हमारा बाप नहीं है, कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर से निजात पाओगे, हमें गोद ले लो।
इधर भाग, निकल, भाग, कीमत कहीं के।
That's my new line now for everyone. Deemak.
What? So Deemak has replaced the new cockroach, is it?
Yes, it's my new word. I love it. And he
Deemak
used
kahin
my
pe?
other favorite word in the trailer. He used that latrin.
Yes.
It's been too long since I heard this.
You need to go back to the heartland. You've been away
The
from India too
heartland, yes.
long.
I am from UP, or I should say born in UP. Parents are from there. Every summer So yeah, seeing a UP film always makes me happy, and this Ayushman has nailed it. Huh? The accent, the mannerisms, everything
Yes,
from Dum Laga
yes.
Ke Aisha to Bareilly Ki Barfi. I mean, he's just Punjab ka hai, lekin amazing, amazing. I love it. What did you think? Initial thoughts?
I had a smile throughout, and the movie. I mean, obviously, Mr. Bachchan, he's going to be a steal. You know, he'll steal the scene or frame wherever he is there, right?
Yeah,
And
he's
again,
reminding me
Sujit
of the
Kapoor.
Piku character also, the annoying old
Exactly.
man.
I was just going to say that, this is his, the outing with Shujit Sarkar after Piku. You kind of expect them to be nothing short of dynamite,
Yeah,
which kind of reminded me recently because of Irfan. I was watching a lot of Piku interviews, and it's a movie that I can watch again. It's the
again and
Hindi
again.
version of Devil Wears Prada for me. I can watch it anytime you put it on. I sit and watch it. So
I love it.
for
Yeah.
me, for a second, I was like, it reminded me of Irfan, very unrelated, but kind of maybe related. And as soon as I saw the character actors or the supporting cast make their appearance, it put a bigger smile on my face because
They're
you
all
have Vijay
brilliant.
Ras. They're all
Yeah.
brilliant. There are two actors, I don't know the name for the lady who asked कि कुछ कागजात भी लाए हो कि आए हो
टहलते
कि
आए हो.
ठहरते हुए आए हो? And the
The
person
other
who's
guy
giving
in the
him, yes,
advice.
you see
Yeah.
him in a lot of commercials, and you see him
Yeah, I don't know his
as
name.
I don't know his name. So I think this is something for us as a takeaway after this, that we need to go find out their names. It's only
Their
fair.
names. Yeah.
And
She's an actor
it's
on, she's done a lot of comedy sketches. I've seen her on YouTube. But yeah,
yeah, he
lovely
has
cast.
seen exactly. He's also been seen in a lot of commercials, right? Where he kind of
Yeah.
he's cast as somebody like that, very middle-aged,
Yeah.
everyday person kind of a role. So it would be
Yeah.
I need to go find out more about it.
Yeah. And then you have Vijay Raj, who, like,
Of course.
even if he's there for 5 seconds, he steals the scene. So can't wait for this one. And yeah, of
Ah,
course, they've taken panga with all the cinemas releasing it on OTT. You saw what Inox tweeted, right?
no, you have to inform me about that.
So Inox tweeted that certain production houses have now decided to release their films on online. I mean, on OTT and all of that. And we have all stood by each other in the industry in difficult times, and it's very sad. We are not pleased, and there will be repercussions or whatever. So nobody knows what repercussions they're talking about. Maybe when in future they won't give them enough number of screens and all of that. There'll be some back and forth, but you should, like, I saw that tweet, I saw the article on it, and then I saw the comments also. Everyone was like, oh yeah, now because we can watch whatever the the annual membership for a Prime or a Netflix is, उतने का एक बारी का पॉपकॉर्न आता है आपके सिनेमा में, तो अब हमें मूवीज एक्चुअल रियल प्राइस में देखने को मिल रही है, so you guys have a problem. So the comments are so anti the cinema
The cinema halls.
yeah, that it was very entertaining to read. So let's see. But I mean, it's Big B. You can't really take panga with Big B when it
True.
comes to
True.
you know.
Also, I mean, it's a bit short-sighted, right? I mean, it's taking offense almost for the sake of it. I understand that the multiplex owners or actually anybody who owns a public space, whether it's the hospitality industry or the entertainment space or nightclubs, where people have to congregate in large numbers, all of them are
Yeah,
going to be a disadvantage. But this movie being released OTT is just a sign of times, right? It's a sign of the
exactly.
production house adapting to the situation. I
Yeah,
mean, would I love to go and watch a movie in a dark movie hall where I'm lost in the world of the story and that movie? Of course, I would like to. Do I want to
yeah,
risk my life doing that? Of course, I don't want to.
yeah.
So, I
Let's
think it's
see.
something that everyone has to be. Yeah, let's see.
Also, like, look
Uh,
at the West. They release the biggest films online now. The new one from Marvel with with what's his name, the Thor actor. It released on, it was a Netflix film, The King, with Timothée Chalamet.
Extraction was a
Yeah, The King was such a big production. It was a full-on only Netflix release. Agreed, these are not Netflix films. They are not being produced
Yeah.
by Netflix, but still, like it is what it is, and people would rather be comfortable and not worried about their life or catching a deadly
That's
disease
true.
while
That's
they're
true.
enjoying a 2 hour, piece of content. So yeah,
True. It,
I
it
think
also kind of precipitates the conversation about how are people going to consume movies and what should be the platform that movies should be released. Because last year also at the Oscars, the year before that, you had Roma that was shortlisted for the best film. It was a Netflix movie. It did not have a
Right.
theatrical release except for a few theaters. This
Yeah.
year, anything that's going to be considered for any awards, when film festivals are being cancelled,
Yeah.
there's nothing that's going to have a theatrical release. So,
Yeah.
I mean, the entertainment space was evolving, and I think this has just been that tipping point where people have been forced to adapt. So,
Exactly.
but we'll have to wait and watch.
Yeah, I mean, there's going to be so many things that we're going to have to adapt to now, because it's going to be a very different world we come out to, whether
Mhm.
it is cinema halls or even sports, like sports stadiums and big tournaments and tennis, football, whatever it is, whichever sport it is, everything's going to have to be adapted now to the right security measures and social distancing. I think, for example, Dubai, where you and I work together, they've opened cinema halls as of yesterday, and they're only allowed up to 30% capacity. So
Mhm.
all those changes are going to come anyway, and this is just one of them. So yes,
Yes.
I think we should all brace ourselves, and so should the cinema halls. But coming back to this, loved it, loved the trailer. Definitely
Yes.
got me interested in the film, and I can't wait. June 12th, है ना? It said June 12th
Yes,
release.
this is June 12th. And I mean, while we are
Thanks.
trying to get creative with what we do while we are sheltering in place, this is going to be a spot of sunshine, hopefully in the next couple of weeks to come. So we can't wait to watch. And if there is
Yes,
anything else you'd like for us to watch and react to, do let us know, like and comment.
in the
We'd love to
comments.
hear from you.
Yes.
And
Let us know your thoughts on this whole cinema versus movie production houses debate. We'd love to hear.
yes,
All right, until next time.
bye.
Bye.